I filed a petition before the Bombay High Court Nagpur bench, and thereby I am asking to the central government regarding the the details of the money received and the expenditure done on the PM Cares Fund. Uh, because I am the citizen of India, I am the one of the donor of the fund. I have full reports so far as that PM Care Fund is concerned. But in order to have the trustworthiness, the transparency, my important points regarding which I am asking for the government is that the details of the fund, that about the amount they collected and the amount spent, and my another demand is that the three board of trustees till date the Honorable Prime Minister of India, being the chairperson of the PM Cares Fund, have not appointed till date since 20th of March 2020. Therefore, these three persons needs to be immediately appointed so that the trust, the trust and the transparency of this PM Cares Fund should remain intact. All the amount they have collected in the PM's Care Fund and the expenditure done, it should be audited by the Controller and Auditor General of India Office, that is a CAG. Why I am demanding the audit from the CAG is that because this fund involves the funds from the CSR, that is the Corporate Social Responsibility Fund, and Member of Parliament Local Development Fund is involved in this PM Cares. Therefore, this is the budgetary amount which is involved in this PM Care Fund. Therefore, this audit by the CAG is very much necessary, because the CAG is the supreme auditor of this country, made by the Constitution of India. And therefore, my request is that the Honorable Prime Minister must respect the constitutional bodies of the country, and demand in my petition, in the public interest I have made, is that whatever amount they have collected in the PM Cares Fund should be immediately made publish, so that every citizen of the country should know what amount was collected in the PM Care Fund since 20th of March 2020. And all this updating of all this fund, receiving amount and expenditure needs to be made in public domain. And why I am asking for all this thing? I am just asking for all this, that is appointment of the three trustees, out of which at least two must have been from the opposition party, because the opposition parties member of parliaments sitting in the Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha are having full knowledge. They are dealing with the day-to-day affairs of the constitutional matters, and they are experts. Member of parliaments who have clean image, and have a public faith. Those type of good persons from the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha needs to, from the side of opposition, needs to be appointed immediately, so that the transparency of the fund may go on. And if the government wants the opposition parties, the members from the opposition parties is not to be appointed on this fund, then my request, my humble request to the Honorable Prime Minister is that the one of the Honorable sitting judge of the Supreme Court, or who have the public, on whom the public has a full faith, and whose image is very clean, needs to be appointed on this PM Care Fund, or any eminent persons from the field of law or social work who was having the public who was having clean image and public support, needs to be appointed on this PM Care Fund. Since last 2 dates, I am very shocked to see the entire proceedings going before the honorable court. See what I have seen, that the central government council tried to hide something. They repeatedly tried to hide something, and on every aspect which in respect of my demand is concerned, they were just misleading the honorable court at every point. And what I have seen, the central government council tried at their level best to pressurize the honorable court, so that the matter may be dismissed on some wrong premises. Therefore, I was very shocked. I am not related to any political party. I am a lawyer and practicing for the benefit of general people, and my basic work is for the social, related to social work. And since last 2 hearing before the Honorable Bombay High Court Nagpur bench, I am saying that the central government council is trying their level best and misleading the court on every aspect. And whatever I have gathered from their hearing, from their arguments, is that the central government councils want to hide something. They want to hide something from the court. Since my petition was in respect of making the amount of the PM Cares Fund in public, what is wrong in it? If it is a public money, and it is a public money and public is demanding, what is the difficulty before the honorable central government and the learned council appearing on their behalf, not to sincerely come before the court and show their bona fides? Why they are hiding? Why they are misleading the court? My demand was in respect of the PM Cares Fund is only for the transparency and reposing the public confidence, public faith in the PM Cares Fund, so that the image of the Honorable Prime Minister of India may remain clean and clear before the nation, public, and before the public. What is wrong in it? If I am demanding the money to be published in the public domain, what is wrong in it? What is wrong? What wrong demand I am making? If I am asking for the appointment of the vacancies in the board of trust, what wrong I am asking? If I am demanding the CAC audit in this public fund, what is wrong in it? Why the central government council misleading the court? Why the central government council is not coming clear, is not supporting my stand?